Hello guys, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. Mini bench drill machines are indispensable tools for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike, offering precision drilling capabilities in a compact and versatile package. These machines provide a stable platform for drilling holes accurately and efficiently in various materials, such as wood, plastic, metal, and more. Despite their smaller size, they pack a punch in terms of performance and functionality, making them ideal for intricate tasks where precision is paramount. Whether you're crafting intricate jewelry pieces, assembling electronic circuits, or working on small woodworking projects, a mini bench drill machine can be a game changer in your workshop. In this guide, we'll explore some of the top contenders in the realm of mini bench drill machines, highlighting their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision for your drilling needs. Number 5. Minec BG 5156E Mini Bench Drill Machine. The Minec BG 5156E Mini Bench Drill Machine is a compact yet powerful tool that packs a punch when it comes to drilling precision and efficiency. As an avid enthusiast and occasional woodworker, investing in this machine has truly elevated my crafting experience. First and foremost, the build quality of the Minec BG 5156E is impressive. Despite its small size, it feels sturdy and durable, which gives me confidence in its longevity. The sleek design also makes it a stylish addition to my workshop. One of the standout features of this drill machine is its powerful 710W input power, which allows it to effortlessly tackle a variety of materials. Whether I'm working with wood or iron, the Minec BG 5156E delivers consistent performance without skipping a beat. The adjustable drill clamping diameter, 1 to 13 mm, adds to its versatility, allowing me to use a wide range of drill bits for different projects. I'm particularly impressed by the no-load speed range of 0 to 2800 rmin, which provides me with precise control over the drilling process. Whether I need to drill delicate holes or power through tough materials, I can easily adjust the speed to suit the task at hand. Number 4. XMSJ Wen Bench Mortiser Mini Bench Drill Machine. The XMSJ Wen Bench Mortiser Mini Bench Drill Machine is a compact yet powerful tool that's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. With its sturdy construction and impressive features, it's sure to become a staple in your workshop. First and foremost, the 5-amp motor with a half-inch chuck provides ample power, delivering up to 1725 rotations per minute. This ensures smooth and precise drilling, even through tough materials. Whether you're working on small hobby projects or larger woodworking tasks, this machine can handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the Wen Bench Mortiser is its 4¼ spindle travel, allowing you to create mortises up to 3 inches in depth. This versatility opens up a world of possibilities for your projects, whether you're creating joinery for furniture or crafting intricate designs. Number 3. Weaver MD50 Mini Bench Drill Machine. As a member of a renovation team, finding tools that are reliable, efficient, and versatile is paramount to our success. Recently, we incorporated the Weaver MD50 Mini Bench Drill Machine into our arsenal, and it has proven to be a game changer in our projects. First and foremost, the MD50 boasts impressive power and performance. With a rated voltage of 110 V and a maximum drilling diameter of 50 mm 2 inches, this machine effortlessly handles even the toughest materials with precision and ease. Whether it's metal, wood, or other surfaces, the MD50 delivers consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the MD50 is its magnetic drill design. This not only ensures stability during operation, but also allows for greater flexibility in positioning, making it ideal for a variety of drilling applications. The magnetic force of 2,900 pounds, 13,000 N, ensures a secure grip, minimizing the risk of slippage and ensuring accurate drilling. Number 2. Romax SDS Mini Plus Mini Bench Drill Machine. As an avid enthusiast, I've had my fair share of experiences with various power tools, but the Romax SDS Mini Plus Mini Bench Drill Machine truly stands out. From its compact design to its impressive performance, this drill has become an indispensable tool in my workshop. One of the features that immediately caught my attention is its cordless design. Being battery-powered, it offers unmatched portability, allowing me to work on projects anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. This feature alone makes it perfect for enthusiasts like myself, who often find themselves working in tighter unconventional spaces. Despite its small size, don't let the Romax SDS Mini Plus Mini Bench Drill Machine fool you, it packs a punch. With a rated voltage of 3.6 V, it effortlessly drills through various materials including plastic, metal, aluminum, wood, leather, and even machine parts. Whether I'm working on a delicate woodworking project or need to bore through tough metal, this drill gets the job done with ease. Number 1. Alsem BG 518801 Mini Bench Drill Machine. As an avid enthusiast, I've always sought tools that blend reliability with precision, and the Alsem BG 518801 Mini Bench Drill Machine exceeded my expectations in every aspect. Crafted by Ulsan, a brand synonymous with quality and innovation, this drill machine stands out for its compact design, making it perfect for home workshops or DIY projects. Weighing just 11 kg, it's easily portable yet sturdy enough to handle various drilling tasks with ease. The power source being AC ensures consistent performance, allowing uninterrupted operation for extended periods. With a rated voltage of 220 V and a frequency of 50 Hz 60 Hz, it's optimized for efficiency while maintaining safety standards. What truly sets the BG500 18801 apart is its impressive drilling capabilities. Equipped with a powerful motor, it effortlessly tackles materials with a maximum drilling diameter of 13 mm. Thank you guys for watching this video. PLZ subscribe my channel for more update.